5 herbs that may help support respiratory health, memory, immunity, digestion and circulation naturally. As people grow older, many begin looking for simple and natural ways to support their overall health. Concerns about breathing comfort, memory, digestion, circulation, immunity, and daily energy often become more common after the age of 50. While no herb can prevent or cure disease, certain traditional herbs have been valued for generations because of their nutritional compounds and their potential role in supporting overall wellness. For centuries, cultures around the world have used herbs not only to flavor food but also to support daily health. Today, modern research continues exploring many of these traditional plants and their beneficial compounds. In this video, we will explore 5 herbs that continue attracting attention because of their potential role in supporting respiratory wellness, memory, immunity, digestion, and circulation naturally. Holy Basil may help support stress balance and respiratory wellness. Holy Basil, often known as Tulsi, has been used for centuries in traditional wellness practices. This aromatic herb is widely appreciated for its calming properties and soothing aroma. Many people enjoy holy basil tea because it may help support respiratory comfort, especially during seasonal changes. The warm aroma of the herb can feel soothing while also encouraging relaxation. Holy basil contains antioxidants and plant compounds that researchers continue studying for their potential role in supporting immune function and overall wellness. Many adults also appreciate holy basil because stress and poor sleep often affect energy, digestion, and mental clarity. By helping support relaxation as part of a healthy lifestyle, holy basil may contribute to overall well-being. Thyme may help support breathing comfort and digestion. Thyme has long been valued in traditional herbal practices because of its strong aroma and beneficial plant compounds. Many adults enjoy thyme tea during colder months because the herb has traditionally been associated with respiratory support. Warm thyme tea may feel soothing for the throat while supporting hydration. Thyme has also traditionally been used to support digestive comfort. Many people find that warm herbal beverages help them feel more relaxed after meals. Researchers continue studying compounds found in thyme, including thymol, for their potential role in supporting overall wellness and immune health. Rosemary may help support memory and circulation. Rosemary is one of the most recognizable herbs in the world. While commonly used in cooking, rosemary has also been valued for centuries because of its association with memory and mental clarity. Its rich aroma has made it a favorite herb in traditional wellness practices focused on concentration and focus. Rosemary contains antioxidants and plant compounds that researchers continue studying for their role in supporting healthy circulation and overall brain wellness. Many adults enjoy rosemary tea or use fresh rosemary in meals because it offers both flavor and potential wellness benefits. Ginger may help support digestion and healthy circulation. Ginger is one of the most widely used natural ingredients around the world. It has been used for centuries in teas, soups, and wellness preparations. Many people turn to ginger because of its reputation for supporting digestive comfort. Warm ginger tea is especially popular among adults seeking a soothing beverage after meals. Ginger also contains natural compounds that researchers continue studying for their role in supporting healthy circulation and overall wellness. Its warming nature has helped make ginger one of the most respected herbs in traditional health practices. Peppermint may help support digestion and respiratory comfort. Peppermint is another herb that has remained popular for generations. Its refreshing aroma and cooling sensation make it one of the most commonly consumed herbal teas. Many people enjoy peppermint tea because it may help support digestive comfort and relaxation after meals. The refreshing aroma of peppermint may also feel soothing when breathing feels uncomfortable during seasonal changes. Peppermint continues to attract attention because of its versatility and its long history in traditional wellness practices. Why these herbs continue to remain popular? One reason these herbs remain popular is that they are simple, affordable, and easy to include in daily life. Many adults appreciate the fact that herbs can be enjoyed as teas, added to meals, or incorporated into healthy routines without requiring complicated preparations. Although herbs are not miracle cures, they may provide supportive benefits when combined with healthier habits such as good sleep, regular movement, hydration, balanced nutrition, and stress management. The body often responds best when multiple healthy habits work together consistently over time. Simple herbal wellness tea recipe. Many people enjoy combining herbs into a simple wellness tea. Add 1 teaspoon each of dried holy basil, thyme, rosemary, peppermint, and a few slices of fresh ginger into hot water. Allow the mixture to steep for approximately 10 minutes. Strain the herbs before drinking. Some people add a small amount of honey or lemon for additional flavor. The tea may be enjoyed warm during the morning or evening as part of a relaxing daily routine. Although these herbs have long histories in traditional wellness practices, they are not cures for diseases or serious health conditions. Persistent respiratory symptoms, digestive concerns, circulation problems, memory issues, or immune-related concerns should always be discussed with a healthcare professional. Herbs work best as part of a healthy lifestyle rather than as miracle solutions. Holy basil, thyme, rosemary, ginger, and peppermint have remained popular for generations because of their traditional role in supporting overall wellness. Their combination of beneficial plant compounds, pleasant aromas, and long history of use continues attracting attention among adults interested in healthier aging. The encouraging news is that wellness often begins with simple daily habits. Better sleep, more movement, healthier meals, hydration, stress reduction, and supportive herbs may all work together to help the body feel more balanced over time. Sometimes the simplest herbs become the ones the body appreciates the most.